Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is staying warm. It's kind of like a Snowmageddon out there. We are kind of holding the fort down tonight at the house. Tonight we are going to be making these awesome clipboards. I got these ones finished. It's the back. And then I have on the inside done, and they have a pad of paper, a pen, and a nice little decoration too. So that's the one of them. Another one I got done was this one. These are super quick and fun to make. There's the last one. All right, to make these, you are going to need a clipboard. I got mine at the Dollar Tree. And these ones measure 9 by 12. You are also going to need a notepad. I got these at the Dollar Tree too. And there was 2 in a pack. So there were 2 for $1. You are going to need some scrapbook paper. 2 pieces for each one. You can do one and not do the back. That is your choice. I just like the back. Looks pretty cool doing both. And that one's the one for the other one. And we're also going to need to have some Mod Podge. I am using the matte finish. You are also going to need a paintbrush or something to put the Mod Podge on with. You're going to need a tool to scrape down, and scissors, ribbon, a pen if you want one. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is take off the sticker if it has a sticker on it. And then you're going to take the paper and you're going to decide which one you want for the front and which one you want for the back. And then you're going to lay this on your thing. I have cut mine at 9.5 by 12. That way I have extra room to wiggle if I need to lay it a certain way. You can cut them the exact of your board, 9 by 11. That's your choice. I just like the little extra room to be able to manipulate my paper just in case I need to. So you're going to lay it on here on your clipboard. I mark where this clip is because we're going to cut this out. So I have marked that. And then you're going to cut it out. Mine is about 1 inch down. So you're going to take that and you're going to cut. You can use your, if you have a special machine you like to cut on, you can use that. or you can just cut with handy dandy scissors. Alright, just like that. Clean up my edge just a little bit. There we go. Alright, so after you have that cut out, the next step you're going to do is you are going to take your Mod Podge and we are going to coat our board. So, is anybody out there getting snow? Or were you spared with the snow? It's kind of nice to have snow for once. So you're just going to coat this whole thing. If you get some on your metal piece up front, you can wipe it off when we're done. Make sure to get the corners so our paper doesn't lift. So after you have everything coated, this corner a little better. There we go. You're going to take your paper. You're going to slide it on, just like that. And then you're going to take your tool and you are just going to rub your paper so it will stick. Make sure you get all of it. After you have that done, I let it sit for a minute. Like that. Now, depending on if you did an exact form or not, you're going to want to take your knife and you are going to want to trim your paper. To make it even with your cutting board. Let's see so you can see me. Don't worry about the edges because we will file those down when we're done. If they're not quite smooth. There we go. So you have all the corners. You can round them. And you have the paper down. Now the next step you are going to do is you are going to take your Mod Podge and we are going to cover what we just laid down. And this will give it a coat. Our kittens upstairs are running around like crazy animals. I think the weather's kind of got them a little crazy. Alright, so after you get your coat down, you're going to let it dry. After you let it dry, you can go ahead and do the same exact thing to the back. So when you do the back, you're going to put some of your Mod Podge down. You got all the corners. And then you're going to take your paper. You're just going to put it right on top. Just like that. And then you're going to go ahead and make sure it's down all the way. Your corners are down. And then you're going to do the same process of cutting the edges off. And then once you got the edges off, you are going to go ahead and cover with a coat of Mod Podge. And you let it dry. Once it's dry, it'll look something like this. There's the front, there's the back. I did take a piece of the front and put it on the back of this one to make it a little different. And you just do that the same way. You just cut whatever kind of piece you want. You can put it in the middle, you can do 3 pieces, however you like. And then you just embellish it. I used a notepad and a pen, and then a ribbon. I hope you guys stay warm today. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you later. Thank you for joining me tonight.